Jay, you are working in back area today. Let me show you how to organize the back area and keep the place in top shape for service.
Okay.
If you are new here, on this channel, you will find videos to help people working in hotel industry. Do subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to receive notification whenever we upload a new video. This video is made by clarifiedbetter.com, and in this video I am going to teach Jay all about maintaining the service area properly, so that the service can be efficient. First and foremost, let me show you two elements of the service area that must be properly stacked. The first one, the kitchen pass. The pass is from where the food is dispensed by the chef. In order to dispense food, the chef needs to have the required crockery. When you work in the service area, make sure the pass is well supplied. If any plate or bowl is not available on the pass, replenish it from the dishwash area. On the pass, you must also maintain a supply of trays to carry food from the kitchen to the restaurant. The second area you need to keep maintained is the landing table of the dishwash area. This is where you have the highest breakage of crockery. You can avoid that by maintaining a decoy system.
What is a decoy system?
A decoy system is just a system of visual reminder to keep everything in its place. We place a sample of every crockery and the stewards are expected to place that type of crockery on the sample. That way, there is no overlap and the chances of breakage is minimized.
A clean service area is an efficient area. If I maintain the area well, the service can be smooth. Now I understand the importance of the back area. I never knew that it is such an important part of the operation. If you like this video, do remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues from the hotel industry. If you have a question about working in the industry, just ask in the comments below and we will reply to it. And do not forget to visit clarifiedbetter.com. I will leave the link to the site in the description box below. It is a website with in-depth courses for you to improve your knowledge and your career. You will find more than 50 courses with certificates and you can get started for free. Do visit clarifiedbetter.com. See you in the next video.